Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Talent Olympiad. Today we will go through the round 1 question papers of ITO's International Science Olympiad for class 4. The question paper consists of 35 questions in which 20 questions are of subjective, 10 questions are of logical reasoning and 5 questions are of high order thinking. This 35 question exam holds 35 marks. You can write the answers one by one in a notebook or a blank piece of paper and then compare them with the answer key provided at the end of this question paper. Question 1. Which unit is used to measure how warm or cool the air is? Question 2. Which list below best shows how energy moves in a food chain? Question 3. Which object has the greatest flexibility? Question 4. Gravity and magnetism are both. Question 5. The process of heating food to a temperature that kills most harmful bacteria without much effect on its taste is. Question 6. Bacteria lives in a groups called dash, which are usually circular. Question 7. Which of the following is an example of kinetic energy? Question 8. Which of these is a change in chemical composition? Question 9. To make an electromagnet, a conductor should be coiled around. Question 10. Which of these best completes the statement about the interaction of the respiratory system with the circulatory system? The lungs add dash. Question 11. Because burning fossil fuels creates much pollution, alternatives are being investigated. What might limit the use of wind as a major energy source? Question 12. Which of the following do typical plant cells have that typical animal cells do not have? Question 13. Which gas do animals need to carry out life processes? Question 14. The diagram shows a graduated cylinder containing water. From which position will the most accurate measure of the volume of the water be made? Question 15. The process of digestion in humans is completed in. Question 16. In human digestive system, bile is secreted by. Question 17. The autotrophic mode of nutrition requires. Question 18. The correct order of steps occurring in nutrition in animals is. Question 19. The inner lining of stomach is protected by one of the following from harmful effect of hydrochloric acid. This is. Question 20. Most hazardous metal pollution of automobile exhaust is. Question 21. 1 liter of water is equivalent to. Question 22. the study of fossils is known as? Question 23. Drama, director, team, what? Question 24. How many edges are in a cube? Question 25. Which of the following pairs of words have the same relationship as fan heat? Question 26. 3 the following 4 are alike in a certain way and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? Question 27. In following question, group the given figures into 3 classes using each figure only once. Directions for question 28 and 29. In each of the following questions, select a figure from amongst the 4 alternatives, which when placed in the blank space of figure X would complete the pattern. Number 28. Identify the figure that completes the pattern. Number 29. Identify the figure that completes the pattern. Question 30. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 31. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 32. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 33. Stored energy is called? Question 34. A small magnet that turns freely and always points north is a dash. Question 35. How long does it take for the moon to complete one revolution around the earth? Now we have completed the question paper. You can cross-check your answers in the next image. Now you can opt for a wide range of study materials from Indian Talent Olympiad offered for international Olympiads. We provide workbooks, previous year question paper sets, monthly Olympiad practice test series, and power packs. To purchase this study material, visit Indian Talent Olympiad's official website. We have provided the link in the description box below.